What's up, everyone? Meta AI no longer allows users to generate free and unlimited AI videos. But in today's video, I'm going to show you a secret method to keep creating unlimited Meta AI videos for free and without watermarks, and also I'll show you how to automate the entire process and generate videos in bulk using simple text prompts or even images, so make sure you watch until the end. Let's jump right in. Alright, first things first, head over to Meta AI's brand new website, Vibes.com. Once you're there, tap on Login. You're going to see a bunch of options to log in: Facebook, Instagram, email, or your phone number. Now, if you're planning to log in with Facebook or Instagram, here's a tip. Go ahead and make a totally new account just for this tool. As you log in, you'll land on this super clean dashboard. Tap on your profile and boom, you'll see it says Meta. So yeah, this whole website belongs to Meta. Just keep in mind it's still in beta right now, so you might run into a few glitches here and there while generating stuff. Now tap on Create New to start a project. You'll see a prompt box pop up at the bottom of the screen. From here, you can create videos, images, or even lip-sync content using any image you want. Let's start with images. Tap on the image option. Type or paste your prompt into the box, then hit Generate. Just like regular Meta AI, it's going to spit out 4 images for you to choose from. Oh, one thing to know, you can't control the aspect ratio here, even if you type it into your prompt. It just won't listen. By default, every image comes out in a 9:16 ratio. That's just how it works right now. Now tap on any image. At the bottom, you'll notice a little Meta AI watermark sitting there. To download it, just tap the 3 dots and hit download. It'll save straight to your device. But heads up, the watermark's gonna be on it. Want it watermark free? Just right-click the image, select Open Image in New tab, and download it from there. Now let's talk about video. You can actually turn images into videos too. Just hover over any image, tap the 3 dots, and click Animate to Video. Give it a few seconds, and it'll generate videos based on that image. Heads up though, you don't get to control the direction or outcome of the video. Meta AI is just going to do its own thing based on the image. If you'd rather make a video straight from text, tap on Video instead. Paste in your prompt, then head to Advanced Settings and pick 720p for your resolution. Hit Send, and within a few seconds, you'll get 4 different video options. Go ahead and tap on any one of those 4 videos to check out the result. And honestly, it's kind of mind-blowing when you see it play. Like, this AI actually took your one single prompt and turned it into 4 totally different videos, each with its own vibe, its own movement, its own little twist on the idea. Want more length? You've got 2 options: Auto Extend or Manual Extend. For Auto Extend, if you hit an error the first time, don't worry. Just refresh the page and try again. It usually works on the second attempt, and your video will extend automatically. For Manual Extend, type a new prompt describing what happens next, hit Send, and it'll continue the video exactly the way you want. Want a horizontal video, like 16:9, or maybe you're trying to make a video from an image? Here's the deal. For a 16:9 video, you need a horizontal image to start with. Let me show you how. Go to the Start End Frame section and tap Add Start Frame. Then hit the Upload button and check this out. You can actually upload up to 12 images at once. Pretty cool, right? Just pick your image, select it, and tap Add to Video. That's it. You're good to go. After that, paste in your prompt and hit Send. Again, you'll get 4 videos to pick from. Tap on one, and there it is. A full horizontal video. Seriously, the results look amazing. Want to download a video? Easy. Just hover over any video, tap the 3 dots, and hit download. But if you want it without the watermark, same trick as before. Right-click the video, tap Open Video in New tab, and download it straight from there. Boom, no watermark. Now, if you want to generate videos in bulk, I made a Chrome extension for you using AI. Links in the description. Go grab it. Download the extension, then unzip it. Next, head over to Google Chrome and go to Extensions. Turn on developer mode there. Once that's on, 3 new buttons will pop up. Tap Load Unpacked and upload the extension folder. Now tap the extension icon again and pin the one you just uploaded. Once you click on it, a side panel will pop open. Looks something like this. There's a few settings in this extension. You can tweak it if you want, or just leave them as is. Totally up to you. Now, to actually use this extension, start by creating a new project. Make sure Video is selected in the prompt box. Then, in the Text to Video section, type in 2 prompts, 1 on each line. Every new line counts as a separate prompt. After that, scroll down and hit Start. The extension will automatically paste your prompts into the prompt box and start generating videos for you. And once they're done, it'll even download them automatically. Pretty cool, right? Now let's talk about the image to video. Upload your images in the image to video section. You'll see a prompt box for each image. Just type in whatever prompt you want, then hit start. Same deal. It'll start generating videos automatically. One thing though, don't change anything once the video generation starts. If you do, it's gonna break the whole workflow. Just sit back and watch it do its thing. You'll see it generating videos all on its own. Oh, and heads up. Since this is still a beta version, you might run into the occasional error here and there. Just a heads up. And that's it for today's video. I hope this secret AI tool helps you create unlimited AI videos for free. All the links and resources are available in the description and pinned comment below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.